Stop scrolling for just a moment because this message may be the answer you've been praying for. God is saying, "My child, why are you worrying about tomorrow when I am already there?" You've been losing sleep over problems that haven't even happened yet. You've been carrying burdens I never asked you to carry. Today, I want you to release them into my hands. I have already gone ahead of you. I already know every challenge, every closed door, every opportunity, and every victory waiting in your future. The enemy wants your mind filled with fear, but I want your heart filled with peace. Stay with me until the end, because the final message could completely change the way you face tomorrow. God is saying, "My child, worrying has never changed your future, but trusting me always will." Think about Peter when he stepped out of the boat. As long as he kept his eyes on me, he walked on the water. The moment he focused on the wind and the waves, fear took control. My child, many of you are doing the same thing today. You spend more time looking at your problems than looking at my promises. I never asked you to carry tomorrow's burden today. I asked you to trust me one step at a time. I already know the road ahead. I know the doors that will open and the obstacles I will remove before you even arrive. Stop letting fear write stories that I never planned for your life. Lift your eyes toward me instead of your circumstances, because when you trust my direction, I will lead you exactly where you need to be. God is saying, before this message ends, I want you to remember one truth that can completely change your life. You do not have to know everything about tomorrow, because I already do. Every time you choose faith over fear, you are placing your future into my hands. I have never failed those who trust me, and I will not fail you now. The opportunity you have been praying for, the healing you have been waiting for, the peace your heart longs for, and the breakthrough you desperately need are not beyond my power. Stop carrying burdens that belong to me. Give me your worries, your fears, and your unanswered questions. Rest in my promises, because I am working even when you cannot see it. If this message spoke to your heart, comment, "Lord, I trust you with my tomorrow." Share this message with someone who needs hope today, and subscribe for more daily messages from God. Always remember this: when God has already gone ahead of you, there is nothing in your future that He cannot